Merlin, 23505. Let's do this thing. Good luck. Museum. No. What am I looking? What's the word I'm looking for? Merlin. 5 times. Here we go. Whoever's on top wins Barcelona. If it's Barcelona, they'll go to person's team too. I really just there could have just not pulled that up. Like I could have just left Barcelona off the list, but hey, it doesn't feel right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. FC Nordsjælland to 5 times. Congratulations to FC. Yep. Singo Matuda, congratulations. That is plus Barcelona. All right, fresh case. Red. 2 numbers between 1 and 12.
3 and 7.
Oh.
Had to make one easy, one hard.
Yep.
I'm guessing 7's at the bottom of the case.
No, 7's at the top.
At the top.
7, then 1, 2.
Oh, it goes down.
Yep.
Okay, yep.
3.
The 3 was the not good one. Oh, no. The tragedy of the 3 has not worked.
Yep, the old
I
Nords.
thought the 7 would be worse.
Nordsjælland. Now, stacks of 6, so it's actually pretty easy on that front.
Oh, match ball in these, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we've got one.
But this year, with the introduction of like the booklet match balls, you can get 2. So,
Oh,
yeah, you never know. I reckon Ringer's dogged me here. He definitely has.
oh no. It was a 3. It was definitely. I should have went with a different.
All right, here we go. Yeah. No, trust me. A lot more. Honestly, and this isn't to try and piss in people's pockets, but it's not often that the match ball cards are that great. Victor, Mystic Knights, Lewis Marley. The Sour Diamante Refractor. Like it's not often the best auto in the case unless you get the really good ones. But you know, I wouldn't mind if we got Andy Diouf, Mystical Knights, Kevin De Bruyne, and Fabian Reddit. Gabriel Jesus. Haaland. Gabriel Martinelli at 25. Very nice hit there for Liverpool. Osman. Bruna. Kavicka to 109. We'll be taking Ringer behind the shed tonight and bashing him. Diouf. Bakari. Yeah. Yeah. Cyrus is absolutely correct. You do get a lot of... to 99. That's very nice, though. Patrick Kluivert. Sorcerers. There's a lot of nice Sorcerers autos as well. Arsenal, sorry. My mistake. I'm an idiot. Lewis Marley. I was thinking about Liverpool, Kavicka. For Arsenal, obviously on the Martinelli. Villarton. It's actually the sword signed by... Oh, who's it signed by in bloody... Oscar Bob, Chosen Ones? Osman. Who's the sword signed by in... Bruna? You know? Is it Step Brothers? Pagano, Bakari, Osmian, Yamal. Yamal, Mystic Knights. Very nice. Signed by Randy Jackson or something. Van Dongen and Theo Zidane. A legend. Chosen Ones, Ranville, Jeremy Doku. Ansu Fati of 309. Home Chrome MLB. Which break?
I'm just double checking that because I know it's out of stock. I've actually
You.
dogged you there.
1 of 150, Piero and Capi. Yeah, so again, for the True City. Oh, Renaissance, Rasmus Hoyland. Well, Ringer has completely killed this case in one fell swoop. I actually admire it. Go with this.
Wait, were we after that one or the match ball?
Both of them. Silver, Saka.
We've still got a match ball, so
Yeah. We'll leave the match ball to last. Drogba, Aegis Alchemy. You're quite good at that. You often pick the best hits in the box.
I have noticed that I,
Goncalo Ramos.
on occasions, pick the best box first, and I'm like, oh no, what have I done?
Ronaldinho. Listen. The good thing about stuff like these chromes is that there is lots of good to hit. Pow.
I was going to say after the break that I was like, I'm glad I didn't hit the ball because that means we're going to sell them faster.
Murata. Listen. All I care about is hits. If I see it, it means I know that it's in there. Blue. Mika Hamilton to 75. All right, I want to see your guesses. Barclona. Calamuendo. Feel free to go check the checklist. I can't link it. Oh, Ringer can. If you want to link the checklist to this, whoever guesses the match ball right, you get one guess. Yeah. I'll do right there. I'm going to give away a team in the other Merlin. So take a guess. If you know the list and you want to take a guess, Kamada. I'll give you all a couple minutes.
Oh, what year?
Oh, yeah. Trust me, there's plenty of good hits. 23, 24. Missing Knights, Bellingham.
Okay, I better...
Hato, Gustav Isaacson. There's also Grails and stuff. Like, there's so many huge hits. Barbany to 109. Read it. Feel free to have a look, take your guess. And I'll Chikwueze. And I will sleeve everything up and then do the ball card. Noom, Goo, and Osman.
Oh, wait.
Chosen ones.
That doesn't actually have a checklist on it, apparently.
Oh.
That is the Beckett one, though.
That's right. Beckett still don't have it up. They've been struggling with Top's checklist lately. I think because Tops aren't doing them in things.
All right, let me continue the search.
Just any. Yeah. It should be on the Tops website. It almost seems like a lot to just have a guess in it. Everyone just guess, something. Just take a guess at something. Oh, what? Actually, I have it. Oh, maybe it's the lineup to try and get Sapphire. 1 second. I've got the check. I actually have the list on my phone. Again, apologies for being on my phone. It is of utmost importance.
Well,
They are. Hopefully this comes through properly. AC Milan, AS Roma, Atletico Madrid, Leverkusen, Brighton Hove Albion, Barcelona, Bayern Munich, Inter Milano, Feyenoord, Liverpool, Man City, Man United, Newcastle United, Real Madrid.
well, the only one there that I recognise the name of is Leverkusen, so that'll be my guess.
All right.
Whoever guesses it in the chat can have it, but that's a personal guess for me.
All right. I'm just going to open it. All right. It looks to be normal. Cool patch. Real Madrid's Toni Kroos. Wow, that's very nice. Woda. Guess that first try. Exact player as well. Far out, that is nice. No disrespect to Tony Cruz, but I would hope that's not the best auto in the whole case. Very nice. I assume he's the first one to say Cruz.
Yeah, I was just checking. And yeah.
Yep. Congratulations.
Exact
Woda.
player, so it's even
better.
Yeah, even better.
Which means he gets better. That is Merlin 23505. Who's your team?